hence 5th Avenue. We're going to be pulling off the Plenum here so we can get the fuel rail off and try to go have her repaired, because there is a seal kit for these, but it's only for if they aren't leaking already, I read. That's interesting, eh, Wessie? Mm-hmm. So we got that hot mess. So we're just going to call our boy over here at the hose place, and he's going to probably make us something, but we shall see. But anyway, we get to take it apart first. All right. Wessie's getting that last bit apart. We're going to get ready to yank this Tupper Plenum out so we can get to the fuel rail. There we go. Wes has all the vacuum lines, everything undone, electrical. This we're going to pull out of here in a bit because we can just slide this out for now, we're assuming, to make life easy. And then we can get in here and get this all out of here, undo our fuel lines, and get our rail out. What you thinking, Wessie?
I think I hate engineers.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, Wesser's getting the last bit out. We can slide that Plenum out of our way. It's a lot of fun. Had to take apart a whole bunch of crap. He still hates engineers, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. All right, Plenum's off. Our next step's going to be to get this fuel rail out of here. And we're going to clean this gasket surface, obviously, for next time when it does go back together. But our leak's been right here.
Listen.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Pissing, absolutely pissing. All right. Carry on. Go, Wessie, go. Look at you. Gonna get the rail off. Gotta undo the lines down yonder here. All right, we got the fuel rail off. Good job, Wessie. We had to have fun with these guys here. But we got the kit. Yay. So pop those babies off. Got it out, wiggle it out to get the injectors out. There's noticeably oil staining on these from, obviously, probably valve cover leaking at this point, which would explain why the plenum was wet when you pulled the upper plenum off. The lower plenum was so wet. So we'll pull the injectors out, and then, yeah, there's our leak. Doesn't even have pressure on it, but they do leak. All disassembled. Looking good.